Good morning, everybody, and cheers. My name is Sean. This is Backseat Girl Productions, and today we have a SmaPole F1 floaty ultralight carbon fiber monopole for GoPro. That's what it is, and yeah, man, we need our coffee, so cheers. Alright, so guys, what is it? Well, it's a pole for your GoPro. So, I have my GoPro, and I have the pole. Why did I buy one of these things? Well, see, I have one of these right here. This came with the GoPro kit I bought at Costco, of all places, right? So how this works is you just unscrew this little piece right here, just a little bolt. Screws into this right here, and on the underside of the GoPro it has these little leg things that come out, right? So these little leg things come out. It's really cool, and this just slots straight into that, usually easily, sometimes with a bit more difficulty than others, like now. There we go. And then you just put the bolt in there and it secures tightly. Then you can hold it. It's almost like a gimbal, but it's not really a gimbal because it doesn't stabilize. But you can, tilt it. You can loosen up the screw a little bit, tilt it however you want to. And this actually floats in water, so that's cool. But I want one of these that has a screw hole attached to the bottom of it, because what I have been doing to record these videos in the past is using one of these little guys right here. It has a 1/4 screw hole on the bottom. This particular model is made of metal. I purchased it off of Amazon, but it works the same way. That just slots in like that. You put your bolt in there and it screws down, and then this can mount to a tripod, just like that, right? So anyhow, we're gonna disassemble all this stuff and we're going to get into this package and see what it has in store for us today. I hope it works out. It's supposed to float, it's supposed to be really lightweight, and it's supposed to be durable. So let's take a look at the box. We have SmaPole F1. Here's some of the writing on there, and stuff on the back as well. So yeah, SmaPole F1 floating hand grip pole bobber, aluminum and carbon fiber materials integrated with aluminum alloy tripod mount and nut plus thumb screw for GoPro Hero 4. 3 + 2 1 stuff. Something beeped. Oh, it was my GoPro. My GoPro beeped. Oh, let's turn you off. Alright, it says SmaPole F1 made of carbon fiber material and lightweight aluminum for durability, solidity, aluminum tripod mount with built-in nut. No worry about losing the nut. Keep your GoPro cameras floating in the water to shoot the most wonderful world. Tightly attached the adjustable strap to your wrist to prevent falling off with the quarter 20 threaded insert. Connect attachments or mount to tripods. Alright, so it's got a tripod, not a tripod, it's got the handle thing, it's got a wrist mount, it's got the bolt, and it has a driver that says that it's optional. Again, here's the back of the package. I didn't even need a knife today. I've just got my handy dandy opening fingers and my shucks sock, because I can't find the other one. If you find my other sock, let me know in the comment section below, guys. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment, smash like, subscribe, do all the cool kid things. Tell all your friends about me and what I do on the internet. I live stream too. I live stream games. It's quite fun. Alright, so here's what's in the box. I can confirm this is very lightweight. We have the destruction manual here, aluminum mount, floaty carbon fiber 2/4 standard screw hole, weight 60 grams, 8.6 inches long and 1.1 inches in diameter. That's what the paper says. So let's get into it here. Let's see what we got. So we have the little lanyard device there. We have a wing nut. Now this is going to be interesting to see how this works, because I have the media mod that I want to try this out with, and I'm not sure that the wing nut is going to work with the media mod, so might have to do a little bit of alteration in there. But here's the tube itself. All right, it is extremely lightweight. It is very, very lightweight. I guess this is carbon fiber, it looks like. It's not coal, so it's some kind of not aluminum. I guess it's carbon fiber. I don't think these screw on or off. I think they're permanently attached. So here's a uppy, closey look at it right there. It does have a little bit of texture to it. I'm not going to test the floatability of it right now or anytime on this video, just because I don't really have a need to test that. But if you get one of these, then let me know if it floats in the comment section below. Alright, so that works. I highly doubt this is going to work with the media mod, so we will put it on the GoPro itself first. So in we go. Screw holes line up pretty nicely. Alright, not too much hassle here. Okay. Alright, so with the regular GoPro just by itself, that's nice. It works. I like it. Now, let's try it with that media mod accessory and see what we can do. Alright, so we got the door off to install the media mod. So it's just going to go right in there. Clamp it down. Now let's see if we can get this thing to work. That's gonna go in there. Oh no, it might just work. It might just work. Is it gonna? I don't think it's gonna. All right, so definite disadvantage there. So I'm gonna have to screw this in all the way, and it's just gonna keep twisting and doing things I don't want it to do. So I am going to not use this. I'm going to use a different one. I'm going to use the one from the floaty one here. Let's see if I can't make that work. Alright, this is working a little bit better. I've expressed a little bit of frustration with the media mod before because it cants the camera a little bit unless you have it like loose on there. So I don't know, it's just one of those things. I'm not really sure how I like it to, because it's loose that way, but then if I go to tighten it up, then it cants the camera in such a manner I just don't like it. But I don't know, we'll see how excuse me, we'll see how it goes. This right here we'll check out. Rubber band. Okay, rubber band, and we have just a 1/4 inch screw hole right there. It's branded. This screws into the bottom just like such. All right, so the main reason I purchased this is so we could do this right here, so I can continue to record with my GoPro. Oh, well. Alright, ta-da! So, it's working. It does have that cant to it, so I'm gonna back off on this screw a little bit. They really should have designed that better, in my humble opinion, but let's get that tightened up. So then I can just stick this right there. I can just adjust it however I need to. This does have a little bit of movement up and down. I can even adjust the cant on that tripod over there if I need to. So I'd say, all in all, this is a pretty good purchase. It's a really good purchase if you're not going to use the media mod attachment, I would say. So I don't recall exactly how much I paid for this, but I will put it in a graphic somewhere on the screen. And yeah, I'm gonna go play with this thing. So my name is Sean. This is Backseat Girl Productions. This is the SmaPole F1 floaty ultralight carbon fiber monopole for GoPro. And I will see you guys the next video, the next live stream, the next whatever. Have a great day, guys. Bye. I want to give a very special thank you to all the members of the channel. You guys certainly help make these videos possible, so thank you all so very much. Deadpool, Raising Wild Cubs Vlog, Sun City Scratchers, The V3 Coke Collector, Tom Andrews, Tan's World, JJ General 1 Arcade, Bamboo Soldier, Stro Time, Rhino Scratches, Fantastic Wit 84, Misfits and Dreamers, Wickawoo, Beats by Kaz, Beth B Scratchology, Mrs. Amanda, Nola Fam Arcade, Ryvok 489, Mr. and Mrs. Cammy Blue on the move, and their hot air balloon, the Psycho Ducky, Infinite Mooah, New Vending, WI, Jesse K, and Juna Eric, Scratch and Bow on the go, and our newest member, Molly Ray. Thank you all so very much, and we'll see you all next time on the next episode of whatever, right here with me, BGP. Bye.